this.
Sarah was correct, and I was wrong with my sense of direction. Whoa, that's a queue. We are sweaty and hot in the queue, waiting to get in to...
When you come out of the mall, they're still pissing.
Why is there no light on the end for this? Why?
There's a big man.
Lion King, $35. Well,
I like the colour of this one, but I'm not really a big Stitch person. Is that a kid one?
Is it?
Damn it.
No, it's a shame we don't.
Dad, you know what that's from?
Yes, I do.
How much is it in the shop?
Oh, whatever's in there, yeah.
£20.
$40.
In this shop, it's £20.
No, it's not. It's 100. 99.
We saw them.
You saw them on where?
That could be a running jacket.
Could be. They run the marathon.
That's cute.
Is it nicer than the one we saw in Target?
Show me your phone and I'll take a picture.
I think you can make it tighter.
Yeah, there's a drawstring on it, but leave it down for a second. Yeah. Jumpers and t-shirts. $19 for the jumper. $15 for the t-shirt. I like that t-shirt. Lounge flies over there. 35, 25 for the price.
Anybody else want one of these? They have them in large, I think small.
You can still buy these Guardians hats in EPCOT in the store, and they're here. That's a nice hoodie. Nice and heavy. $25, that's a good price, I think. There does seem to be a good amount of stock in at the moment. Plenty around. Had a good look around. Got some stuff that we might get. I think everyone's going to have a review and check and see whether it is something they want or not. A good chunk of money off. There is some stuff that's still in the park. I've seen some of these things already. You can get Magic Band Plus for $20. Well, it's cheap considering they're up to $50 in the park. So if you were coming and you were killing the evening before you start your park days. New Balance across the way. Hopefully out of it. There's much open in the Oakley shop by the looks of it. We've only done really Disney outlet. Not massive shoppers when it comes to brand stuff. We do come for a wander around. I did Tommy Hilfiger last year and I still got some stuff that I haven't even gone near. You don't think Gucci?
I don't know, we've spent the whole morning doing this. We've gone around in circles so many times.
28. Mum, how many things did you get?
I got a jacket and a vest top.
2 vest tops. Just been through the food court. It's mega busy. I've lost people now. Where have I lost them? Just trying to get out of the food court. Trying to get home. What is it?
It's chicken.
You have that bit, I'll give them mine.
It's alright, you haven't.
Yeah, he can.
Is that your fave car?
Yes.
They got ducks in it. It's little and large. They don't know where we're going yet. Nobody knows. She knows. She found out. It's a shame. I had another surprise lined up. Kids are none the wiser. So what? The beach club? Hiya. Thank you. Yeah. Man.
I think this one.
Hey, we've got a reservation.
What's about it?
Kids, you know where we are? This is surprise number 2. And you both wanted to do something here. No. We're not going in another pool. Let me see.
We're having a breakfast.
Well, it's not breakfast time, is it? It's nearly tea time.
We're having tea.
Not tea.
What are you doing here?
Someone rings a bell and shouts loud. Yeah. When it's coming out.
The sink. Yeah.
Oh, I can't tell you how many surprises.
Wait, is this the surprise?
One possibly couldn't say whether it is or not. Is it a good one?
If there's another one, then I hope we go inside the pool.
That's not one of them.
Gone.
What did he say?
If there's another one, I'd hope we were going inside the pool. I just smiled. Are you excited? Mm-hmm. Leon, are you excited and nervous?
No.
Sarah?
I'm nervous they're going to eat too much and feel sick or leave this.
There is an empty one.
I don't know if they ate it all.
I have 2 sinks today. I've got 3 kitchen sinks today. All with 8 scoops of ice cream, all the toppings in the house, and a whole can of whipped cream.
Okay.
A whole can, guys. I've got 3 families. They say they're going to finish it all up. Let's give them a round of applause.
Oh, geez, that was banana.
Thank you.
Jeez, I need it.
Well, you two, is that a good surprise? Leon? It's very big. It's my hand. Well, you two,
Yeah?
tell me what you thought of the kitchen sink.
Good?
Did it live up to the hype?
Yeah.
Leon, what do you think?
Amazing.
What do you think of the kitchen sink there?
Want me to do
It was
that?
very nice, yeah. No, I've done it now. Yeah, it's very good.
We didn't manage to finish it, did
We
we?
didn't, but I'm pleased we didn't force feed ourselves.
This smells really nice in here, doesn't it?
Good. You scared that off.
Saw that in the outlet today. It was $15 and it's $35 in the park. Hey Mickey. No worries. We are at EPCOT now. We've been out this morning to the outlets. We have also been for a bit of a special surprise treatment. Got some use out of the ponchos. I thought there wasn't going to be need for the ponchos to sell it today, didn't I? It's raining out.
We've not done bad with the ponchos.
First shower of the holiday.
Well, that we're in.
Look at the fruit.
How was Remy again, Ethan?
Good.
Leon, did you enjoy?
Screamed again at the hand poker.
You did.
We always do it every single time.
Every single time. Sarah, Remy?
Hello, Remy.
We're out now. The rain's gone. Big bang of thunder and lightning there. It's cleared off. There are big dark clouds about.
Lightening up a bit.
First dark clouds that we've seen so far. So we had our ponchos.
Don't jinx it.
Lots of music then. And now we're heading
Probably going to be thunderstorms
down,
down.
maybe do a few more rides before the fireworks. That's clever, isn't it, Leon? Playing some music. Some bonsai. You're impressive bonsai. In the shops of Japan. Some lovely stuff. Smells lovely over here. Have you had a look at the swords, Leon?
Yeah.
Any good ones?
Humans really.
I like that one.
We're in Italy now. Further around showcase in China and in House of Good Fortune. Lots of random bits and pieces.
What does he want? What did he want, Mum?
The big lad is $82.
$42.
You should have. Well, you should have got it. It might actually fit your big head.
Might I know.
You first try your favourite pose.
Wait, guys, don't we need to go back? So, Soarin, 25.
We're walking around the world, heading, I think, to Soarin now. We're gonna maybe ride it. Frozen was at 60 minutes. We won't get to see the fireworks if we get into that. There could be a rush. So we're gonna do that and maybe something else. It's fine. I know, I didn't notice them before. Are they the same as the ears that you can get?
I think so, yeah.
Are they? That's cute.
Hang on, we just have a photo.
Flower and Garden ends on Aoife's birthday, doesn't it?
Yeah. And you get as many pictures as you can.
My mum used to say that.
Before we go, I want to get a picture.
Oh, quick, get across it. Oh, good.
All of the wish. You lost that yesterday. Aoife, have you seen that massive wish? And there's 40% off.
What 40% off is hold on.
Oh, that's only $40.
$39.99 and it says 40% off.
It's $2.50. It's $16 off, so that's $24.
Well, it says select items.
We'll go and check.
So we need to check.
It's so funny.
We saw these shields in the outlet today. I'm not sure what the price is. And who's that for? Oh, it's just a random. Oh, I know. It's for the Black Panther by the looks of it. These last few days have been very much just chill and then gift shopping days. And I think everyone that comes here ends up having some of those. Everyone gets a bit tired, parked out, rides out. So yeah, it is useful to try and get some of these in.
And I was like, there we go. Alrighty, big smiles. There we go, friends. Every single time. That's a minute.
Going on Soarin! 15-minute wait. Hopefully. Thank you. Bit different from Tuesday. Was it Tuesday? God, we're queuing from here. Just come off Soarin, 15-minute wait. Advertised 15-minute wait to get done. Now it's half an hour to go to the fireworks, and we're going to go and get a spot. Look at the ball. Isn't it beautiful? End of day 6, children. How's it going so far? We're almost a week into it. What have you got there? What have you ended up with?
I ended up with a massive star. It was a really good deal.
That's from Wish. It was 40% off. And Fion?
I got Groot.
You got a Groot, didn't you? Have we got any highlights from the day?
I'm going first. I've got a big list. No.
You can do one at a time then. Go on then.
So, this is my highlight.
What's one?
Everything.
Everything. Eva?
The sink. First off, doing the ice cream sink was really good. Getting this.
Any other highlights?
Going to Soarin on a quick line.
Yeah.
And also the fireworks.
Very good.
That should be everything.
Sarah, any highlights for today?
The kitchen sink.
It was good fun, wasn't
It was very good, and even like the brownies and cake was very nice. It wasn't like rubbish. It was nice, and everyone else's desserts looked very nice as well.
Yeah, it did.
And the meals. There's some people had burgers and they look really good, and it was very reasonable. It was $38 for the kitchen sink, and the kids got drinks, and we didn't even get charged for the kids' drinks. Whether that was a mistake or I don't know, or included, I'm not sure, but it was a very good deal. The lady was nice.
Beach Club's nice, isn't it?
It was the beach club's it's very busy. It's such a
It is.
busy
Well, it's
place.
busy weekend, isn't it?
And the pool, it was all just very, very busy. The boardwalk seems much calmer, more relaxed. And I did love the fireworks. The fireworks were amazing. I want to go and watch them again. I actually think they were better than Magic Kingdom.
Ooh, that's an interesting thing to say.
Hold on.
What?
Dad, what was your highlight of the day?
I think my highlight was probably the fireworks. Fireworks were really good.
Yeah.
Kitchen sink was really good. I think the kitchen sink is big enough to probably feed a family of 6.
Like and subscribe.